warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting myself, my name is Faisal Mustafa and I'm not alone here. I'm with my friend.
My name is Muhammad Akbar Fauzan. Can I ask you something about the public administration program?
Of course.
Can you tell me more about the curriculum of the public administration program?
The program offers a comprehensive curriculum that covers public policies, management, finance, and ethics. You will learn how to develop and implement policies that address society challenge and improve public service.
Where can I get information related to this public administration study program?
You can get information related to this public administration study program on the official OMI website. There, you will the complete information related to curriculum registration and other.
Can you guide me on how to apply for the program?
The first step, you enter the OMI website page. There, then you will be guided on how to register.
What courses are there in this public administration study program?
Existing courses in the public administration public study program such as English, political theory, social theory, economic, and other courses related to the public.
Thank you.